Hi there, we're taking a look at your Chapter 7 submission for the pennies assignment. And I want to show you this in a video because it's a little complicated to explain just in the comment section. So in column G is where we had to apply the if statement with an embedded not statement. And you did a really good job, but there's just one little typo. Do you see how instead of using just the word finance, you used the word finance with a colon? And none of the results have that colon. So what happened is that the down payment, so then the test was never true. It was always false because nobody matched finance colon. And so then what happened is, because these are all then the amount, because the statement is false, then the balance becomes zero and the last payment date becomes zero. So it's a big cascading problem. And look what happens. If we go back up to G7, remove the colon so that it is just the word finance, some of them, that first one in particular, that test now becomes true. So you get the true result of the if test. Then the balance becomes correct and the last payment date becomes correct. You have those constructed properly, but there's this great big cascading effect. So I'm going to take all of these and copy them down the column, and then they all become correct. So that one little typo really killed it. And so do that, make that fix just so you can see how that happens. And then I want you to make that fix because the next thing you have to do then is reapply the advanced filter. When the advanced filter runs, here I'm going to show you down here at G121, when the advanced filter runs, it just puts in the answer. It doesn't put in the formulas. So these will not update. So you have to rerun that advanced filter. And your database functions turned out great. That all worked well. Just that one little snag, but it had such a big impact. So I wanted to show it to you. If you have any questions, just email me.